Hi, I'm Linda Miller, CEO and founder of PDT, Paradise Dental Technologies. Today, I'd like to show you how to sharpen a universal curette with our PDT Gleason guide. Make sure that you have the universal side facing the instrument. Place the back of the blade against the stop, bring the terminal shank down to the rest, and glide. Glide using a pendulum motion so you get the heel and the toe with a nice even pressure. And flip the blade over, stop, rest, and glide. Again, a pendulum motion, doing the heel, now the toe. Nice even pressure against the back as well as the rest, never bringing your terminal shank off of the rest. Now we're going to sharpen the toe, the back of the blade against the angulation, drop to the stone, and roll. We'll check the sharpness. Hear the ping, you know it's nice and sharp. And ready to go.